Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have an easy, cheesy appetizer recipe for you. We are going to be making a jalapeno chicken and cheddar cheese dip. This incredible cheesy smoky dip has bacon bits, peppers, loads of chicken, and it's perfect for game day. Can't think of a better addition to your Sunday football, but really it's great any time of the year for any party or gathering. This cheesy dip is made with rotisserie chicken, smoky bacon bits, green bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, and then loads of cheese. We've got cheddar cheese, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, and I like to top this cheese dip off with some crispy panko breadcrumb toppings. We're gonna bake the cheese dip until that cheese is melty and creamy. I love to serve this dip with a little bit of crackers on the side. You can even use it as a veggie dip for maybe some carrots or bell peppers. The flavors are simply phenomenal. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box to the recipe link. I'm going to have all the details up on my website for you. And now let me show you how to make this easy and incredible appetizer. First things first, you want to have the oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to also preheat a large frying pan over medium-high heat. And we're going to get things started with some bacon. I have 4 slices of smoky bacon. You can of course add more if you want some more bacon flavor. Once the pan is nice and hot, drop in those bacon bits. After rendering the bacon for a couple of minutes, releasing some of that fat, we're going to add in 1 diced green bell pepper, 2 medium-sized diced shallots, and 1 large diced jalapeno pepper. I removed the seeds so it's not as spicy, but you can keep the seeds if you want this dip to be extra spicy. And then saute this mixture for about 6 to 8 minutes until the pepper is tender and the shallot is translucent. Next we'll add in 6 minced garlic cloves. You want to make sure you add the garlic last so it doesn't burn. Toss that with the pepper and shallots. We'll cook for about a minute and then we'll remove this from heat. With that pepper and bacon mixture done and cooling, we could get started on the cheese part of the dip. We'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Drop it into a large mixing bowl. And before adding anything else to the cream cheese, I'm going to use a little hand mixer and cream the cheese for a couple of minutes until it's creamy and smooth. To the cream cheese, I'll add in 1 cup of sour cream and cream the cheese and the sour cream together. Next, add in 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a couple tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and we'll need 2.5 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken breast. I just picked up a roasted chicken at Whole Foods, let it cool down, and then shredded the breast meat into small bite-sized pieces. And I find the smaller the shred, the better, because that way you'll have chicken with every single scoopful of that incredible cheesy dip.